Welcome back to our Frugal cooking series, where we bring you budget-friendly recipes and tips to help you save money in the kitchen. In today's video, we're going to explore another versatile ingredient that you probably already have in your pantry: rice. Rice is a staple in many cuisines around the world, and for good reason. It's affordable, easy to cook, and can be used in a wide variety of dishes. Whether you're making a hearty stir-fry, a comforting bowl of risotto, or a flavorful pilaf, rice is the perfect base to build your meal around. One of the great things about rice is its ability to stretch a meal. By adding rice to your dishes, you can make them more filling and satisfying without breaking the bank. It's a great way to make your ingredients go further and feed a hungry crowd on a budget. But rice isn't just a side dish. It can also take center stage in a meal. From rice bowls topped with fresh vegetables and protein to rice salads packed with flavor, there are endless possibilities when it comes to creating delicious and frugal rice-based meals. In this video, we'll be sharing some of our favorite rice recipes that are not only budget-friendly, but also packed with flavor. We'll show you how to cook perfect fluffy rice every time, and then we'll dive into some creative and delicious ways to use it in your cooking. So if you're looking to save money without sacrificing taste, join us in our Frugal cooking series as we explore the wonderful world of rice. Get ready to discover new recipes, learn money-saving tips, and make the most of this humble yet versatile ingredient. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be sharing some mouth-watering rice recipes that are sure to become family favorites. Until then, happy cooking, and remember, frugal cooking doesn't mean compromising on flavor.